The agent block is the part of the workflow where the language model reasoning happens. But to make it reliable, it's helpful to understand what you're actually giving the model. The messages it starts from, the model you choose, the tools and skills it can reach for, and the output other blocks will use afterwards. Once you see those pieces clearly, agents become much easier to design and debug. Let me show you how the agent block works. On the canvas, an agent block looks like any other step. A run arrives at its input handle, and a result leaves on the other side. But this block has more going on inside than any other block in Sim, so this time, let's follow the data in. Inside, the agent block is a conversation machine with a station for the messages, a station for the model, and a station for what comes out. The first station is the message stack, and it starts with your system message, the standing instructions that tell the agent who it is and how to judge. You can preload the stack with earlier user and assistant messages, so every run starts with that history already in place. And the data we followed lands at the bottom of the stack as the newest user message, filled in from the start block's input. The second station is the model, and this is where you choose the brain that will read the whole stack. Here, it's Claude Sonnet. And the brain is swappable. Sim supports all the frontier providers, and the block around it never changes, so you could hand this exact stack to any of them without rebuilding the step. When the run reaches the model, every message on the stack is sent in, and you are billed for what it reads, measured in tokens. If tools are attached to the block, the model can reach out from right here, calling them mid-run when it needs more than the stack contains. Then it writes, the reply streams out word by word, and the output side of the bill counts those tokens too. Everything the run produced gets packed into the block's output, the content, the model it used, the token counts, and any tool calls it made. And with that, we are back on the canvas. The output flows onto the next block, which reads the agent's content like any other value. So that's the agent block, one step on the canvas and a whole conversation running inside.